guys, it's GFX Gan here. Today I'll be covering how to set up an animated face cam overlay in OBS. Let's get straight into it. To get started, open OBS Studio. Navigate to the Sources panel. Left click on the plus icon. Left click Video Capture Device. And rename the source to whatever you please. Then hit OK. Now, left click the device drop down. Select your webcam or face cam of choice. Fine tune the other settings to the specs of your own webcam, then hit OK. In my case, I use an image source as I don't have a webcam, but the same idea will stay. Resize and place your webcam. Use the arrow keys to move your face cam pixel by pixel. Setting up the animated overlay. Open OBS if you have not done so already. Now, we have the face cam source, so we need to add the animated overlay. Navigate to Sources. Left click on the plus icon. Left click on Media Source. Rename this source to whatever you please. Left click on Browse. Locate your file on your desktop. If your animated overlay loops, check the looping box. If your animated overlay has a green screen, continue to follow the guide. Now resize and scale your animated overlay to fit snug with your face cam. You have successfully set up your animated face cam overlay. Keying out the green. Right click the media source that you had named beforehand. This is the animated overlay. Navigate to Filters. Under Effect Filters, left click on the plus icon. Navigate to Chroma key. Rename this or leave it as is. If you have a blue screen, select blue from the color key dropdown. Adjust and tweak the other settings if you're experiencing green spill. If you have a green screen, select the green color type in the dropdown. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you're looking for high quality animated overlays, check out my website to find prices, examples, and my contact page. If you enjoyed, leave a like rating, and if you enjoyed what you see, subscribe as I'll be releasing a free animated stream overlay on my channel. I'm GFX Gan. I hope to see you all very, very soon. Peace.